Are you ready to embark on a journey into the boundless realm of the digital frontier? In today's interconnected world, the internet isn't just a place for socializing or browsing. It's a vast landscape brimming with opportunities to turn your passions into profit. But where do you start? How do you navigate this ever-evolving digital terrain to carve out your slice of success? Join us as we delve into the strategies, platforms, and techniques that can help you not just survive, but thrive in the digital economy. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Content creation. In the vast expanse of the digital landscape, content creation stands as a beacon of opportunity. Whether your passion lies in crafting compelling written pieces or producing captivating videos, platforms like blogs, YouTube, and live streaming sites offer avenues for expression and monetization. By leveraging your creativity and expertise, you can engage audiences, attract sponsors, and cultivate a loyal following. Embrace your unique voice, harness the power of storytelling, and embark on a journey where every word and frame has the potential to turn passion into profit. Freelancing Platforms. Enter the dynamic world of freelancing where talent meets opportunity. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Guru serve as virtual marketplaces bustling with projects in writing, design, programming, and more. Create a profile showcasing your skills and expertise, and bid on projects that align with your strengths. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, these platforms offer a gateway to remote work opportunities, allowing you to forge connections, build your portfolio, and thrive in the ever-expanding gig economy. Take the leap into freelancing and unlock a world of possibilities at your fingertips. Online marketplaces. Welcome to the bustling world of online marketplaces, where entrepreneurship meets digital innovation. Platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy provide a global stage for selling products of all kinds. Whether you're clearing out your closet, sourcing unique items, or launching your own brand, these marketplaces offer unparalleled reach and convenience. Dive into e-commerce with minimal overhead, explore dropshipping for a hands-off approach, or unleash your creativity with handmade crafts. With millions of shoppers browsing daily, the possibilities are endless. Join the vibrant community of online sellers and turn your passion into profit in the ever-expanding world of online commerce. Affiliate marketing. Step into the realm of affiliate marketing, where collaboration and commission converge. Joining affiliate programs in your niche empowers you to promote products or services you believe in, earning a commission for every sale driven through your unique referral link. Craft compelling content around these offerings, leveraging your audience's trust to drive conversions. With an array of affiliate networks and programs available, from Amazon Associates to specialized platforms, the potential for passive income is vast. Embrace the role of influencer and partner with brands to monetize your digital presence while providing value to your audience. Online courses and ebooks. Unlock the gateway to knowledge commerce with online courses and ebooks. Whether you're an expert in cooking, coding, or creative writing, platforms like Udemy and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing offer avenues to share your expertise with a global audience. Craft comprehensive courses or insightful ebooks, catering to the ever-growing demand for digital learning materials. Dive into niche topics, leverage multimedia formats, and set your own prices to monetize your knowledge effectively. Join the ranks of digital educators and authors, empowering learners worldwide while building a sustainable income stream from your passion for teaching and sharing knowledge. Remote work. Experience the freedom and flexibility of remote work in the digital age. Websites like Remote.co and FlexJobs curate a diverse array of remote job listings across industries, from customer support to programming. Say goodbye to the confines of the traditional office and embrace a lifestyle where your commute consists of a few steps to your home office. With remote work, you can balance professional responsibilities with personal pursuits, all while connecting with global teams and clients. Join the growing ranks of remote workers and discover a world where location is no barrier to career success and fulfillment. Stock photography and videos. Unleash your creativity and turn your passion for photography and videography into a lucrative venture through stock platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, dynamic cityscapes, or heartwarming moments, there's a demand for high-quality visuals across industries. Submit your work to these platforms, where each download or purchase earns you a royalty. With millions of potential buyers browsing for images and videos to enhance their projects, your portfolio has the opportunity to reach a global audience. Embrace the role of a digital content creator and monetize your visual storytelling skills while contributing to the ever-expanding library of stock media. Dropshipping. Embark on the journey of entrepreneurship without the hassle of inventory management through the exciting world of dropshipping. With platforms like Shopify at your disposal, you can curate an online store filled with products sourced directly from suppliers. The beauty of dropshipping lies in its simplicity. You only purchase items from suppliers once a sale is made, eliminating the need for upfront investment in inventory. Focus your efforts on marketing, customer service, and building your brand while your suppliers handle order fulfillment and shipping logistics. Whether you're passionate about fashion, gadgets, or home decor, dropshipping offers a low-risk entry into the e-commerce landscape. Join the ranks of successful dropshippers and carve out your niche in the digital marketplace, where the sky's the limit for entrepreneurial success. Online surveys and market research. Embark on the journey of dropshipping and discover a streamlined approach to e-commerce entrepreneurship. With dropshipping, you can launch an online store without the hassle of inventory management. Source products from suppliers and fulfill orders only when customers make purchases, eliminating the need for storage space and upfront investment in stock. Platforms like Shopify provide user-friendly tools to set up your store, customize your branding, and automate order fulfillment processes. Focus your efforts on marketing and customer service, as suppliers handle shipping and inventory management behind the scenes. Dive into the world of dropshipping and unleash your entrepreneurial spirit without the traditional barriers to entry, turning your online store into a profitable venture in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Virtual assistants. Step into the dynamic realm of virtual assistants and offer indispensable support to businesses and entrepreneurs worldwide. As a virtual assistant, you'll tackle a diverse range of tasks, from managing emails and scheduling appointments to handling customer inquiries and data entry. Platforms like Time, etc. and Belay connect you with clients seeking remote assistance, allowing you to leverage your organizational skills and attention to detail from the comfort of your home office. With flexible hours and the ability to work with clients across different time zones, virtual assistants offers autonomy and convenience. Join the ranks of virtual assistants and become an essential partner in the success of businesses, all while carving out your own path in the digital workforce. As we conclude our journey through the digital frontier, remember that success in the online world requires more than just technical know-how. It demands passion, perseverance, and adaptability. Whether you choose to pursue freelancing, e-commerce, content creation, or any other avenue, embrace the endless possibilities that the digital age has to offer. So, gear up, explore your passions, and let the digital frontier be your gateway to financial freedom and fulfillment. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for joining us today. And until next time, happy exploring.